Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to explain how you can buy a physical address for your LLC or for your business in USA. So in short, like if you are a non-USA resident and you want to do a business in US, you want to register a LLC or you want to run an online business, then you need a virtual or physical address for USA, so which you need to use for your business. So in that way, like there are two options. The first option is you can just choose you can just buy a virtual address or you can buy a physical address. So let me explain the difference between physical address and virtual address. So let's start with the virtual address. So virtual address, you can buy virtual address from different service provider or different companies. So what they are going to do is they are going to provide you a virtual address. Might be that address can be fake or that can be real. So no matter if that virtual address is real, still, like if you want to do business on Amazon, because nowadays a lot of people are selling on Amazon or they are doing some online businesses. So if you want to make a business on Amazon, so you need a unique address. So the unique address means like that address should not be used anywhere on Amazon before. So that's why I would never recommend like you should use virtual address. So but still, if you don't want to work on Amazon, you can go with the virtual address. Otherwise, I would recommend you should go with the physical address if you want to work on Amazon. So into the physical address, like if you never experienced physical address before, so there are some service provider or different companies which are going to provide you physical addresses. So whenever you are going to receive some mail or some packages, so they are going to update you via email and they are going to update that on your dashboard on the website account. So you can see what kind of mailbox you have received or what kind of package you have received. And if you want to have the scan, they are going to send you scan. If you want to open the package, they are going to charge you some money and then they are going to open that package for you. Or if you want to forward that package or mail to some other address, so they are going to provide you such kind of services as well. So that's why this is really convenient, and no matter like if you are not living in US, still you can run your business in US. Okay, so let's go and let's see how we can buy our physical address. Okay, so in this video, what I'm gonna use is this time I'm gonna use anytime mailbox. I already have experience with different physical address provider, but in some other video I would compare my experience between different physical addresses. Okay, so this time I'm gonna choose anytime mailbox, and then when you are land on this website, so you can go into the description. I already provided the link, so you can just go on that link. So in this way, like you could see such kind of view on your screen. And here onto the first location, what you need to do is you can just write your state or city wherever you want to have your physical address. I am interested in Texas, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna write Texas, United States. So in this way, it is going to bring me to a page where a lot of addresses available in Texas. So as you can see, there are different addresses and every address have a different price. It depends like where it is located. Like this address, as you can see, this is not into the center of the Texas, it is at this side. So that's why it's a bit cheaper. And there are some others like it is costing 29.9 or there are some other differences. Like that's why every address have different value per month. So like 59 even per month, 39. So I would go with the cheaper one. So maybe the 9.99 or something like that, I would say. Yes, this one looks nice to me. So let's go, like whatever the plan you want to select, so you can choose. I'm gonna go with the cheaper one, or maybe this one. This is Jonestown, so this also looks fine. Or if I can found a more cheapest one, so maybe I can go with that one. Let's go with the cheapest one, which was 8.99. There was somewhere. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna go with this one, which is Jonestown. So I'm gonna select this plan. So how your physical address will look like, so you can see here it could be your name, and then this is the your address, Jonestown. This is Texas. This is the postal code, United States. So 18601 FM 1431 STE 104. Maybe there are a lot of numbers, so I would like to change. Maybe I can go with the first one, Abilene, or someone. Maybe this one also same. because that has a lot of numbers, so I don't want that. So maybe I would like to go with this one, 600S Water Street, mailbox number. So they are going to provide me a mailbox number here, and then that could be my unique address. Okay, so when you are going to down, so you can see like there are different options. The first one is bronze, then silver and gold and unlimited one. So there is a difference, like in the bronze, like these are the rates if you want to buy per month, so 9.99 per month, or if you want to buy it for year, so 109.99. So what is my recommendation? My recommendation is you should always go with the yearly plan. Why? Like if you want to, like if you are thinking like you would buy just for first month and then you can cancel the subscription and then you can buy again after 2 months or 3 months whenever you need it. But the thing is, like that address can be used by someone else, or might be you cannot find the same address again. So that's why you should have a address which you can have for year at least. So in that way, like you can have your unique address, and after a year if your business is working fine, you can continue your subscription. Or if you don't need any more, so what you can do is you can just cancel your subscription. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the year in this video, so I'm gonna buy it for 1 year. So these are the details which I would like to highlight here. Like if I'm gonna go with the brown, so you can see like incoming emails, like I can have incoming emails 30 emails per month, 30 mails per month, open and scan. They are gonna open and scan 5 pages per month free. And incoming mails like 30 per month, they are free. They can use, they would receive other emails as well, but then what you need to do is you need to pay for some cents for every mail. Like if I'm gonna go into the full details, then I can show you like incoming mails 30 mails per month, which is free, and after that every additional mail 0.35 cents they are gonna charge for every extra email. So every extra mail. So like I don't think so we can get more than 30 mails per month, so this is enough for us. And then they are gonna open and scan 5 pages per month free, and more than 5 pages they are gonna charge 50 cents for every page. And forwarding, if you want to forward, they are gonna charge you $5 per forwarding. So the previous website or subscription which I was using, they were charging $5 if I want to forward my shipping somewhere. And then the check deposit, shredding, like if you want to have shredding, so they are gonna charge 5 per month, which are sorry, if you are gonna shred, so 5 per month is free, and more than that 25 cents for each shredding. So and then physical storage, like you can have physical free storage for 30 days, and then 0.05 for every mail item per day. So in that way, like if you don't need those mails or those packages, so you can just ask them if you want to shred them, or you can just recycle them. So what if in the recycling they are just gonna throw, or if you want to properly shred, so they are gonna 5 per month free, and more than they are gonna charge 25 cents. And then what you can do is like online storage is unlimited, like that is only for the this physical storage which they are gonna charge after 30 days. This is only for the boxes or packages, but the online storage on the dashboard, so that is free and unlimited. And then you can have multiple recipients, like if you are having you are using for one, or if you want to use for multiple, so what you can do is you can add 2 more recipients, so total 3 recipients. And so if you want to hide details, I'm gonna go back, and same in this way, like they have a silver plan, they have golden plan, and they have unlimited plan. So it's up to you according to detail, according to your requirement, whatever the plan you want. So for me, I would say like I would go with the bronze, and I would go with the yearly. So I'm gonna select this. After gonna selecting that, so you can see there is an option like personalize your address. So what I can do is I can choose my mailbox, whatever the mailbox I want. Suppose I want to have some nice digits, so maybe I can go with 10. I guess they are same, so I can go 1060. I would say this is, and then I can write my first name, so I'm gonna write. Then I'm gonna write my name, first name, last name, and then this address is gonna be my address. Like your real estate address is this one, this, and this. So in that way I can use this, and then I can continue. and then I can just give my country of residence where I'm gonna live, what is my real address. You can give your own address no matter in whatever the country you are living right now. So you can just write your details here, and then you can continue, and then it is gonna bring you onto the payment page. And then what you need to do is you just need to pay for your order, and then in that way they are gonna give you this address, physical address, for 1 year. But before starting your physical address, like before you are owning it, you need to notarize. What you need to notarize is like, this is a rule in US, like if you want to buy some physical address or something, you need to notarize your identity. So in the way, like if you are going to use that physical address in some bad intention, so what you need to do is, it is notarized. Like in every country something exists like that. So what you need to do is you need to spend they are going to provide you a notarized service. So what you need to do is you need to verify your identity with the notarization, and if you are a real person, they are going to accept, and then they are going to provide you this physical address. So if you don't know how to notarize, so I would make a next video on the notarization, so you can watch that. And if you want to go and buy the physical address, I already provided a link into the description, so you can go on that and then you can buy your physical address. So this was all about this video. So in the next videos, I'm going to explain how we can, as we already bought our physical address, so I'm going to explain how we can notarize it and how we can made our LLC, and then what kind of business structure you can have on LLC. I already have some videos like what is the difference between LLC, C corporation, or sole proprietor. So you can go on to my channel and you can watch. And if you think I already provide you some value, so you can subscribe my channel and you can like this video. Thank you for watching, and see you with the next video.